Hello guys, welcome in CCAD. Today we will going to see about the lecture about the electric vehicle and historical data about the electric vehicle. What is electrical vehicle and how the history is created about this. How the history is written by the great inventors and many other peoples and their sacrifices. Thomas Davenport is the first creator of the electric vehicle in 1834 by using non-rechargeable battery, and he also created the motor for locomotives, but this invention is not successful because at that time the batteries are unreliable and many other disadvantages also there. Many other disadvantages also there in 1834 for his research. This patent is done in 1834 by the US Patent Office. And I think second slide we will going to see about the first rechargeable battery. In 1859, the Devin Salamans has been created the first rechargeable battery for EV vehicles after the invention of a lead acid battery. And this invention was good for the EV vehicles for their growth and many other conditions. In, in 1990, basically in 28% of the car was developed by EV vehicles in US. At that time, the gasoline fuel was not there. Therefore, the EV vehicles are in the most pricing condition. At that time, only the steam vehicles are there, and many other and not other fuels are there. But after this era of this after this era of the electric vehicles, then the gasoline vehicles are, because of this era, means of the electric vehicles, unreliable of the batteries and all that, rechargeable batteries and all that. Because at that time the rechargeable batteries are also that that not unreliable for the peoples, for industrialized peoples to recharge is fast, and many other conditions are there. For example, they cannot travel long distance. They were, because of these are the many disadvantage about the EVs in 1874, after the invention of the rechargeable batteries. Let's see next slide. Some companies are there that are developing the EV vehicles. EWC in 1890, which is the best carrier company at that time. Then the Pope Manufacturing Company in 1897. After that, Ricoh Electric Vehicle Company in 1896. But at that time, these vehicles are very much good in 80s. Therefore I have taken, and many other companies also there which have not mentioned their name in this slide, but I have tell you orally their names. The company's name are the several companies based in US, England and France. The company's names are as of ECWG in 1894, and Pope Manufacturing Company in 1898 in Columbus, and Ricoh Electric Vehicle Company US, Victoria, and London Electric Cabs Company. This is the best cab company at that time in 1897. Now we have the modified version of these vehicles, and after that many other companies are there that uh, not exist today, but they have the best EVs in 80s. Let's see next slide. Okay, why the EV disappeared in 1930? What is the reason to disappearing the EVs in 1930? After the invention of battery, Ford has launched model. Henry Ford has launched his first car known as the Model T in 1925, which price is $850 only, and it is very cheaper, vehicles in the at 18 at the 1925. Because of this, the price going to crash, and Ford have the and its price is very less. Therefore, this is also one reason that it is the EV vehicle disappear. And second reason was that the ignition system is developed by Charles. The first ignition system is made by Charles F. Kettering, sorry, and it is this is and he was the first to help the moving manually crank in EVC, sorry, in IC engine or EVC, you can enable the ignition system and to force start. This is the main reason that this is a very main reason to disappear the electric vehicle in 1930. Many of the conditions are there, like in 1930 the price of gasoline is also reduced. The gasoline fuel is the fuel of the Model T for of the Ford vehicle. Therefore, these three reasons are in one person which can be disappearing the EV vehicles from technology. Uh, about the ignition system is generated due to the electricity only. It is a fact also. Therefore, I think so. They have the mixture of by using the battery which have made by Devin Salomons. By using this battery and the combination of this system, they have made a good invention that which can be which can start and which start ignition in the battery manually. Let's see next slide. Okay, why does the government starting investing the money on the EV in 1973? What is the main reason to investing the so much money on this research of EV? If anyone know about these reasons, and please comment me on this. Okay, the most important reason is rising of the oil prices in Arab in 1937 due to the war of the Kippur War between the Arab countries and Israel. And in Israel, due to this the oil prices is increases, and increase of alternate sources also increases. The alternate source is known as only only one of the electricity only. And after the increase in pollution in 1950, this because of this in state of the US, instead of US, one law is launched in law is passed in 1976, 94 and 146, section 146. According to this law, if this promoted the hybrid vehicles and electric vehicles technology by the government only. And this is the three main reasons why this is the three main reasons why does the EV is EV got so much funding, and in this in 1976 and all that things. This are three because of this oil crisis. The all the countries are suffering from this war. Therefore government of people of the nations are starting searching for a new fuel that can be fulfill their demands and everything. Okay, let's see second slide. Okay, many EV companies are there in 1990s, basically known as General Motors. As you were seeing the photo of this General Motors, Nesla EV, Riva. Basically, Riva is an Indian-based company which I have the proud feeling about that. Nesla, IES and KSU, and many other vehicles are there which have the best electric vehicles at that time in 1990s. Now also they are having the best vehicles in 1990s, and after the best EV vehicles in 2020 is a Tesla, BMW, Nestle, and Leaf. And we have also having the hybrid vehicles from the Ford Fusion Hybrid, Volvo, BMW, Honda, Toyota, and many other countries. Many other companies are there also in this and also in this business. Many of the bike companies are also there in this business known as ultraviolet, and BMW is also having the some electric bike. Electric bike, then Revolve. After that, Joy are the best companies which are developing the best EV vehicles nowadays. But the research is going on because every vehicle needs some research because of their batteries, lightweight, and all that conditions are there to increase the efficiency of that vehicle. And also the fuel refilling is the most important thing nowadays, because we do not have the battery station for this types of vehicle to improve to improve the necessity of the electric vehicles, because we do not have the ecosystem in India. That's why this is the most important reason that we do not have the maximum EV vehicles nowadays. After the creating the stations, battery station, then after the EV vehicles are the future of our country. Then, if you like our channel, if you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my videos. Sorry for I have taken lecture this in English because I have comment from the many of the people we are not understanding your lecture in Hindi. They are living. I think so. They are not from India. They are from out of the. They are from foreign. Therefore, please guys like, share, and subscribe to my channel and tell your friend about this course. Next time we will see about the next course known as I will tell the name in comment, because I will basically tell the mechanism of the electric vehicles in next lecture, and how it can be created. So guys, thank you. Have a nice day.